This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
Tēnā tātou e te iwi, nau mai, haere mai ki tēnei pāpā otanga, a whakata Māori, ka mihi ki ngā maunga, ngā wai, me ngā ahi kā o tēnei rohi. E tuana tēnei tākaro ki te rohi o Waikato Tainui, e mihi nui ki tō tātou kuini Māori, kia kuini ngā wai hono i te pō, mo tana mana, me tana arataki i te kingitanga. Anō reira tēnā rā tātou katoa, ki ngā kaiwhakahaere, me ngā kaiwhakataitai, e mihi mahana kia mahana hoki kia koutou. Tēnā rā tātou. Ko te puiti ai Edmonds ahau. We're here for a much anticipated game between Napier Boys High School and the home team Hamilton Boys High School, who will be in. So the lineup for Hamilton Boys today is front row for Fita, Hammond and Kawai, second row Bushell and Puamo. Lucy's Mills, Foot and Edwards, with Foot the captain. 9 and 10 Nordstrom and Brotherway. Centre pairing Parai and Marshall Moore. Wingers back three Deha Elliott, Hunter and Ward. With our reserves, our impact players Vaka, Carol, Broomhall, Hyatt, Cole, Tuapolo and Mark, coached by Cam Morby. For our Napier Boys team, Hooton, Jones, Waihapi make up the front row, Morrison, Pearson, second row, McLaughlin, Mackie and Perry, co-captain, Bain, co-captain, Lovett, Withers, Borsnot, Kauri, Hansey, Winchester on the bench, Hira, Eric, Hunga, Honikawa, Kinea, Wainga, Telford and Lum Hutili. And the coach is Willie Tran, managed by Kirsten Morris. Narata. So as our young men prepare for the haka, just a very quick mention of McLaughlin and Lovett from the Napier Boys team playing their 40th match. Hoping to be their captain today. So congratulations to those two players. So sit back and let's see what's these haka. And our referee for today is Ryan Marshall. And a great start to our picture here from Plymouth Boys High. I just want to make a special mention to our Kaiwa Ryan Marshall, an old boy from Plymouth Boys High School who has come through the ranks. I remember one of his first games referring over in Taranaki, and he's come a long way to be here in the middle there for our game today. So, Ryan, congratulations on this game, and great to be seeing you out there now, and the time you put into the game over the last few years. No. So we've got there today, we've got our top of the table question, 58. At the moment, Napier Boys are sitting at first place, and Hamilton is supposed to have a great competition. It'll be a great game. Looking forward to a great game, and from what I can see, Napier Boys playing from left to right, Hamilton from right to left, and we love it. We'll be passing our day today, and as I say, he's having his 40th cap today for his cap. So, congratulations, Will, and I look forward to the game ahead. Get up underway. Love it. Cap. A lot of pressure put on there by the boys, and the player taken off the ball, and Ryan Marshall awards his first penalty to Napier. Our first line-up for the Napier Boys, joined by Jones coming up. And where they're going to hit there today. Last week they drove the ball really well. Let's see what they'll do today. So they've lost the ball forward off the top of the line-up. And the Hamilton Boys have turned their defence round straight away into attack. Their ball. Setting a good platform now. And there's going to the corner. Rārangi, pērā taha o te tākuro i a tāne o Tangoa, Hemming, kia hoi tū. Let's see what their first play here for. No pressure up from the ball. Good clean take there. Towards them, and good power run there by Mills. Playing some of the platform. And there's a big review. Down the field. Not made touchdown. That long ball looking for the outside early in the game. Good platform there set by Hamilton Boys. Nordstrom with the pass. And sitting their pods up Hamilton. Looking for the other side. Good one run there by. Unfortunately, not near by Nordstrom. And we go back to the knock-on. Off our first scrum. Let's see how these packs sit down. Get down to their mahi. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors for their support in this moment, to acknowledge them and thank sponsors and supporters. First, we thank the Tauranga MΑORI for providing the platform to share this event with whānau across Aotearoa, helping to showcase Tarangapai and bring our action to audiences free of charge and accessible no matter where you are located. I would also like to acknowledge the Kōra Whiri or Te Reo Māori for their ongoing support and development of Te Reo Māori and strengthening its presence in events like this. A huge thank you as well to our sponsors, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, and Ngātawa, Apollo Projects, and Anchor, whose sponsorship enabled us to share this event with you and your whānau and for backing the growth of sport and community initiatives of Aotearoa. Both this come for Napier Boys playing an outstanding game last week, leading the pack, and so we look forward to how we go here for Plymouth Boys. Very off there, just a little bit of unsteady play there at the back of the scrum, which forced Fury to force that pass. Good by Napier. Just lost a little bit of down there. I'm sure they want to be down the other end playing the game down there. So two very strong teams here. We're at the top of the Super 8 at the moment. And free kick there for Napier for early kick. Gary, one. And again, pushing those passes. And this one there by Palmerston or reading. Ryan Marshall was currently in the Wellington region, referee at uni down there, and enjoying his studies. In Wellington. Nordstrom with the feet. And by the way, I'm looking for our cash ball. And Ward cleaned up by Ward there. Woodson again. And Cuomo was a great run there in the centre field. So Hamilton boys building up pressure. Cuomo gone back there. And a lot of pressure coming back on from Napier. Trying to get that front football. And Nordstrom with the World Cup. Brilliant save, I love it. I think I'll start playing this game. I put a game of chess, just trying to get that positional play. And just waiting for that first team to make the first mistake. And we're going down to the corner. And Wright's just gone to the big ball. We're very close there to a 52. That was gone a little bit too long. We'll go back to the scrum. Yeah. The scrum. Okay. Nordstrom will come with the feed. Okay. Off to Parai, who makes a great run up the middle of the field. Really trying to get him behind that defensive line of Palmerston or Ahuriri. And Cuomo again. He's been impressive in these opening minutes. A couple of great runs there. And so Nordstrom again. And the number 8, Edwards, going through. In the half gap. Okay. And going for the right hand side of the field. Take one there by Cook. Hamilton Boys trying to bring in those. That's great support play here for Hamilton Boys and first five going to Hamilton Boys. And great play, putting those defenders wide, taking up the middle, and great support there by Hamilton Boys. Right. Yeah, 5-0 to Hamilton. Just 9 minutes. All the way. With the kick. And he sends the ball down the middle of the pitch. Great start here by Hamilton. And really putting the pressure on Napier. Love it. Get us underway again. Great kick here in the air. And back. Kick by Ryan Marshall. And down to corner with Napier to run it out from outside there. 22. Bench. And Napier needs to settle down here. And we'll talk through that. Keep go forward going. Good on the short side. Unfortunate one there by Napier. And Ryan Marshall brings it back. Yeah. Thing Napier have over the last couple of weeks have started off slow. Little things like the ball going down and they come into their paces during the game. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that sort of plays out for them. Hamilton Boys started strong, and there's just some adaptation needed there by Napier to get back and that challenge. And again, going out wide. Bahar Elliott with the ball on the wing there. George again. And we're getting some good go forward there by Hamilton, who are now looking for the corner. And the ball's gone up there. And scrum out for the line out, so for the Napier Boys. And Jones with the throw. Good kick. Good straight by Jones. Just a bit of miscommunication there for a moment. Oh, maybe back on the line. And really looking at getting across that line again. And good pressure by Hamilton Boys. And looking for that space. And good clearance. Scrambled clearance here by Lovett. The boys, Napier Boys set again. And up. Looking wide. We've got them on the Good defensive line. Too strong. Yes, and looking for it down the right-hand side. Going for the corner. And some great play there by Hamilton Boys. Again, it comes down to the support play that that Hamilton had. Great play. And so we're down, now we're 12-0 to Hamilton Boys High School. Hamilton are putting a lot of pressure at the ruck and also in their support play. They're just getting in behind the line, and once they get that roll on, they're really able to exploit those gaps in the defensive line, overlaps on their right-hand side there. By the way, with Pump. And that kick there by the way as it goes through the post. 14-0 with 15 minutes gone. Love it with the start again. And we're going to our front line. The ball kicked in. Long ball out there to Winchester. Who kicked to the corner. Out to the right hand side. And we're trying to look for the feed on the outside. And once again, Nordstrom there. And once again, we find Hamilton Boys in the 22, putting pressure on the Napier Boys try line. And going wide again, up to Marshall Moore, and onto the wing, to Howard Elliott. And trying to go straight through the middle as they've been doing. Well done. Great try there again by Hamilton Boys. And again, I think they've just gone off the ruck, opened them up, and then got the support players right there. So again, little mistakes that are letting Napier Boys down at those crucial times, and Hamilton Boys have just built pressure and scored there again. And by the way, kick in the game, had a great kick there by the way. Score 21-0 to Hamilton Boys High School. 17 minutes gone in the first. So wahanga tuatahi. Whai ana te mahi o te kurutamatane o Kirikiriroa. Love it. And again, they're taking the ball in well, and they're looking for that territory again. And once again, it's back down into the open space in the back for Napier, and they're looking at giving some go for it and trying to put that ball out into a space where. Again, the ball just lost there in the tackle. Fifita with the run. And unlucky there, just knocked on. And they're going back to the other side of the field for the knock on by Napier. Hamilton boys are really putting some pressure on the Napier boys, especially around that ruck area. They are a big, strong pack that are really putting the pressure on Napier boys and getting that go forward and the platform that the backs need. Nordstrom. Great one there by Pardai. Platform. And down into the corner again. Unlucky there, gone out on the full. So taking it back to where the ball was kicked for a line out to Napier boys. And that just might be the opening that Napier boys need to sort of get that go forward back and put some pressure on. Jones with the stroke, looking for Morris or Pierce. And it goes move up. It was not straight there. Free kick. Ryan Marshall standing in the right position to see that. And again, we've got Hamilton boys with the ball, getting that go forward. And they're using their big men really well to get that go forward and get them behind the defensive line. Hard-eye with a great one there, great support play. Nordstrom. By the way, I'm trying to compete for that ball. Bushell taking the ball in. Well done. Old Mills, another strong run. They seem to have runner after runner that's coming out really strong. Fafita, great run there by him again. He's been featuring quite a lot. Great defence there by Napier, who's stepping up into that space, cutting up that space. Oh, great inside ball by Nordstrom. And set. Good again. Hamilton aren't panicking here. They're not all looking for the line. They may have just lost it there. And knock on there by Hamilton boys looking for the scrum. For Napier. Napier playing catch-up football at the moment, and they need to settle, get their feel for the game again, and just be patient rather than to push every pass. I'm not sure what happened here. I think they'll have a good big brutal here, Napier boys, just to try and settle each other down and make those things. And once again, I just want to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our sponsors here, Pakata MΑORI, Bailey's, Celtic, Polo Projects, Anchor, and Napier boys haven't been the strongest starters, so I'm expecting them to come out firing from here and really try and push back on this the role that Hamilton boys seem to be getting themselves on in attack. Ryan brings him back for the scrum, for the knock on by Hamilton Boys. Mate. Run to Napier Boys and feed from Aim. And looking to the open side. Love it. Good chip. And they'll come back. No advantage for the penalty. We'll just take enough pressure off Napier Boys to be able to settle in and try and get some momentum going forward into the Hamilton Boys half. And up goes blocking there. Again, another one having his 40th game today. And love it. And trying to get that go forward, get some momentum going. Just need to settle down Napier and just trust their processes and make sure that they're giving their go forward that they need. Well done, love it, to get that momentum going forward. And let's see if we can get our player, get Napier Boys into a bit of momentum here. I don't know what was happening there, but there was a little bit of feeling out there. So again, it's knocked on there by Hamilton Boys. Again, about to beat the scrum. They're in the middle of the field here. So let's see the options that they take. We've got Lovett outside them. And Fury off the back. Bain. Right. And again, looking for the outside. Hamilton Boys coming up strong in their defensive line. Nordstrom trying to have a go at that ball. And again, up for the challenge, Hamilton Boys. And unfortunately, there. Napier Boys coming into their stride, but Hamilton is up for the challenge and are really trying to shut down that space and not allowing them to get that momentum that they really thrive on with Lovett and Bain in 9-10 combination. So let's see how this sort of pans out for the team. But Hamilton Boys are definitely up for the challenge and making sure that they're there, meeting the defender, meeting their attackers. Quite a large blind side here. It'll be interesting to see where they go here. Good to see Mackie up and Adam again.
Let's go, Hamilton, let's go!
A lot of pressure in that front rows and two big packs. A lot of pressure. And we just need to be careful. Hamilton Boys with the early push. Ryan Marshall is right there. Playing with the speed. And Gary off the back of the stump, really strong in that position. Unfortunately, it's been taken by Nordstrom, I think it was. And a good clearance ball there. And good clearance. So Jones to feed the line out. We're looking for here. Knock on there by Napier Boys. Hamilton, they're just relentless with their pressure. They just keep putting more and more pressure on at every opportunity. They've gone for that 50-22. Gone back on that on the field. Well spotted by and Ryan. And Jones with the throat. And again, Bruno just seemed to upset the line out there. Knock on there by Blue. There's Pierceman up. And the ball on there. Once again, I just feel that Napier Boys have just not been able to get that continuity in their play. And I think they will have a big regroup, not now at half time, and just settle each other down and just to get that momentum going. They're looking like they're getting the momentum up, and then that ball is lost, or in the last case, turned over by Hamilton Boys. Hamilton Boys are putting a lot of pressure on. It looks like they've done a bit of homework on how they're playing, and really putting the pressure on in the spaces that they need to. As we come back to play, Hamilton Boys feed. Nordstrom's had a good game in terms of correcting his players, and him and Holloway seem to be working really well together and setting that direction. 4 minutes to go in the half, 21 points to 0 for Hamilton Boys High School. And Nordstrom off the back, looking for his support play. Couldn't to be the nature of the game in this one, because the ball bounced up perfectly for Hamilton Boys there. Unfortunately, just lost. But it really is the way the ball is bouncing at the minute, combined with a lot of pressure. Nordstrom opened up the space there, just going through the middle, and the support is there for them. Napier with the feed. With 3 minutes to go, early push. Perry with the ball, getting his usual go forward for the boys. Boys. I love it. Get on his feet. And set. And getting that go forward. McLaughlin, great ball going forward. And Waihape moving the board forward. Big strong pack is Hamilton Boys with some great defence, some punishing tackles there. Nordstrom. Then Kuamo. He likes to get himself involved in those forward runs. And again, ball turned over. Nordstrom just looking for the space in behind. And now we've got, I love it, clear the ball. And well done to Love it. Good clearance there. And looking for that. And Love it. With his huge boot. Again, looking for the sideline. And getting down to that into the Hamilton Boys. And this might just be the opportunity that Napier Boys need. And great guy there. That was just push up. And really well done for Napier Boys in scoring their first for the afternoon. With a minute to go till half time. Bit of luck there in terms of the fumbled ball. And they just had the pressure on those back players there. Perry having a word to Ryan Marshall. He's a good captain would. Oh, 21-5 to Hamilton Boys High School. Love it with the kick. And that's a great kick down the middle of the post. Napier Boys High School, 7. Hamilton Boys, 21. With about only seconds to play in the first half. So we'll get a restart. And I think we'll break down a plate. And we'll be looking at the break. By the way, to restart us and see what Napier decide to do here. Okay. Good contact there by Hamilton Boys in that space. Bain. And they're looking at running it. And going again. Great. And we've got our winger there with us. Well done. And again, they're looking to move the ball. And I think that will find that will be up to half time for us. I don't know. Maybe another play. Hammond with the throw into the line out. And great skill there. Bain. Perry. Good strong run there by Perry. Well known for that barnstorming run. Right. MΑORI. Oh, good. A bit of a love it. Nope, sorry. That is Warsnop. Good work. Napier using the ball a bit more, getting that go forward. We're looking for the corner. Oh, Bahia Elliott tries to run the ball. Great contact there. And Napier really fighting for the ball. Feet going down on the ball there. Pierce, great defense there by Pierce. Napier number 5. Game. The Hamilton boys sticking it down. And just looking for that space of game. Bromo. And playing onto the wing. And Bones getting across here. Space. Score 27 to Hamilton Boys. By the way, with the conversion, and I think that'll bring us to the half time. Well, if I read you upstairs, maybe 3 minutes. I'm sure. Oh, we've got another restart in here. We're on Ryan Marshall's time now. 26-7 to Hamilton Boys. Yeah, then love it with the ball. Start. And we've gone short. We come back to halfway with the scrum. And Nordstrom with the feed. Edwards off the back of the scrum. Again, the support is strong there. Then turned over. Knock on. And that's half time. Great half. Really well played there by Hamilton. And it is 26-7 to Hamilton Boys High School. And the boys will come back 26-7. Really.
The best kind of people I want to interview are the ones that have got something really significant to say.
The new season of award-winning current affairs.
It's really about having a conversation and listening.
Te ao with Moana, ki Māori plus, me whakaata Māori.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, us have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies, ki Māori plus, me whakaata Māori.
Hey.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
What makes selling with Baileys altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home we sell. Enhancing and lifting the energy of your home to achieve the best possible result. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Baileys, altogether better.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Reira, he mea huatu tēnei ki a rātou. Hei kura, hei tiki mō rātou, hei whai ake i ngā kahura.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake ake whea ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō Rotorua ki MāORI Plus.
They won't be working in my restaurant when I get one.
I don't think anyone else would put up with it. They're too scared.
Shut up and go.
It'll be one hell of a show. Oh, there's no other way but keeping the native.
Only one Robert Ridgewood here, Bet.
That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Let's just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira te tū, kia waganui te tū.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu.
Tēnā rā tātou e te whānau. Mai hoki mai anō, i tēnei kemu. Mai wanganui te kura tamatāne o ahuriri, me te tūna tamatāne o kirikiri roa. Score at the moment, 26 points to 7 to Hamilton Boys High School. I think there is a slight breeze behind Napier now. And I look forward to this second half of this game. And by the way, to get us underway, and away we go. And good take there by the Napier Boys player. Love it. Looking for Perry there again. And Bain with the box kick. And unfortunately that's gone out on the full. So they come out. Penalty there for Napier Boys, offside. Love it for the sideline. Take the pana, te whakararangi tērā, te ahuriri, Tua Jones. Whakararangi. Poked it up, great take there by McLaughlin. And as they did last week, looking for the rolling maul and getting some good go forward. Bain. For love it. And again, Perry is in there. Unlucky there by Perry. Very strong in that space where he takes that ball off Lovett. I look for him a lot. And he shows really strong promise in that space. really gets the ball, gets his team going forward. He's definitely a captain that likes to lead from the front. Him and Bain both. And clearance by Botherway. Sure, is that? Love it. With the clearance there. Both teams are competing well in the lineouts. I think we've seen a couple of not straight throws going in, because obviously if you don't compete for the ball, you can go Hammond with the throw. Okay, knock on there. I think the first come by Hamilton Boys. So it's scrum here for Napier. Napier really need to get that go forward going. Be the first scorers in this half. Putting real pressure on Hamilton Boys. Bain with the feed. We look for Perry off the back. And love it. MΑΟRI, good looking for space there. Up onto his feet quickly. And again, good platform. We get that go forward. And then Bain with the pass Withers puts the ball in. Again, they just need to settle down here. Make sure they're being a bit patient. Keep that ball moving. And then good space, great space there. And the ball. McLaughlin. And again, gone back. Good work, good run there by Jones. And McLaughlin taking it forward. Great work. Okay, looking after the pill. And Hamilton Boys caught offside there. Some promising start here by Napier Boys. Really great to see them getting that go forward and some continuity in their play. And Perry's called the scrum. Captain for Napier Boys. This will really come as a great opportunity for Napier Boys and where they are on the field. Again, just acknowledging our sponsors for the day. Whakaata MΑORI, Bailey's, Caltex, Mativa, Apollo Projects, and Anchor. If it wasn't for our sponsors, none of this coverage would be possible. So, mihiana kia rātou. Mō tātou, mō koutou awhi, tēnei nei tūnu. Whakari kia Mahuriri. Very off the back of the scrum. Good work. Really opening up the space. And again. He's got the advantage. With the huanga down Napier. Looking for the corner. And we'll go back for the penalty for the offside. Hapa. Kiriroa. And we should see what they look to do here, Ahuriri. Right, the corner. And Jones. They love it. Coming off. And on his wing is number 20, Wainga. And some great drive forward here for Napier. And a great try there. Hai te tiro kia Ahuriri. Papai. That try goes to, let me see if I can see who that is. I think it might be Hooton. And they're way up there. Right, I love it. With the penalty, with the conversion to come. Love it, touches the ball. And great kick there by Love it. 14-26 to Hamilton Boys. Probably the start that Napier Boys needed. So let's see if they can continue with their pressure on Hamilton Boys. By the way, about to start to get us underway again. And first run there. Of course, not well done there. Going to that halfback space. And Napier set themselves up for strong defence. And good work there. Good defensive line by Napier. Well done. Again. Guillermo out in the back line. Work strong run there. Guillermo still going forward. And great pressure there. I think that was Kupa Kamea. And great pressure put on by that young man, number 18. He's come on and tried to make an impact from the bench there. So great pressure there. Kupa. The slight breeze behind them. And Napier will really try to continue to put that pressure on to Hamilton Boys. But at the moment, Hamilton Boys are up for the challenge. And up and under there by Wainga. Good pressure. You love it. Oh. I'm trying to remain on the ball. Bang. Hamilton trying to set those platform. The Peter up the middle. Looking for space. Yeah, that's a great defense here by number 20, Wainga. Great defense. Come over the line there. started to open up there. The Peter, what a great run through the middle of the up there. Quickly taken. And the game. And this big pack is mobile, and they're getting the go forward that Hamilton Boys require. And again for Fita. Big strong run. Looking for the kick underneath. Kick as well there. Bain with the kick. Yeah. And going to be well done. One of those unfortunate situations there. Bit of pressure. One is shining there and Kirikiriroa. Fortunately, in Napier. Bit wet. Placed up there to be playing some footy. Napier Boys here. So, possibly, I'm not sure what's happened there, but maybe by the reaction of the second 15 there, maybe a yellow card there for possibly Bushell. Number 4 Bushell for Palmerston Boys. If that is the case, the boys have a man advantage at the moment. Yes, we can see Bushell sitting on the sideline there. So at the moment, a one-man advantage in the next 10 minutes for Napier Boys. So trying to get that rolling ball going, which they used quite effectively last week. And strong. And bang. Wiring up. And Perry with the run. Great run there by Perry in the midfield. Again. 54. Love it. And we must be playing in the splinters at this stage or on the wing. Fullback. Everything's a possibility. Main. Good work, McLaughlin. Great run there. Yeah. No advantage played there. Release the player. So it's some good continuity here from Napier. You know, they were starved of that continuity in the first half. It's good to see them coming out. Maybe it's the advantage of the slight breeze out there, although the Putchie's flag doesn't really show that. And again, they're going for that more. And a great try there, utilising that more. The point that was really strong for them last week. And they've come in and find the game. Bit of feeling out there, but as you expect, when it starts to get a little bit closer, both teams, one team feeling like they've got a sniff in there, and the other team feeling the pressure of them coming back into the game. Bain having the word to Ryan Marshall. We wow. And Lovett looking for getting the extra points. Yeah. Great kick there by Lovett, bringing the scores up to 21-26. Hamilton Boys High School still down to 14 players. And if Napier can get this momentum going again, we're in for an absolute cracker at the end of this game. 20 minutes to go, 26-21 to Hamilton Boys High School. And by the way, he's got us underway again. Great take there by Hamilton Boys as they come through for the ball in the kickoff. Yeah. He's regathered that really well. Again, now Hamilton will be looking for that momentum and in the front, looking for their big men in the midfield. Good by Pardo. Again for Peter, he's had an outstanding game, real strong in his runs. Napier Boys just becoming disconnected there in defence. Setting themselves up again. Reset. The feet is down. And again, good strong defence there by Napier. Looking to put some pressure on the Hamilton Boys. Set. And it's just those first tacklers who are dropping off their tackles. Give Hamilton Boys an opportunity to gain momentum. Again, straight through the middle. Keep their pillar and post quarter there. On the right. And for Fita again. Yes, great steal by Lovett. Unfortunately, he didn't release the player before he'd gone down for the ball. No release, no clear release. Fita was down on his knees. You need to release the player before they reach on the ball. What are Hamilton going to do here? Maybe they're going to set up their own ball. I'm off here. Committee to what? No. Avaka. Number 16 coming on soon. You can see him there on the sideline. Hammond with the throw into this lineup. All Napier competes. And up we go. Good stick there. We've got advantage there. Ruanga kia Kukingoa. Vaka. Strong runner there. Not help. Peter. Looking here. By the way, going for the side again. The Peter's been really strong up front. Number 1 for Hamilton. And great strong runs there. And I think he'd fancy himself just close to the line to be able to sort of muscle his way over. And Hammond with the throw. Good. Back down there. And looking for that to steal some yardage there. Pafita. And the great throw there for Hamilton. Promo. Great try. just continue pressure in that one. Need a bit of time to regroup, maybe up. By the way, with the conversion here. And the ball goes straight down between the posts. Great kick here. By the way. So, score 23. Hamilton Boys. MΑORI 21. It was a great effort from Hamilton Boys with a man down. The player still sitting in the bin at the minute. We need to get that race in. Napier just falling off those initial tackles, those first up tackles. Never. Looking for the corner. Looking for the air. And I think Napier will take that on board. Jones about to throw the ball in. McLaughlin. Yes, take him over McLaughlin. Unfortunate there. There's some subs coming in here. Let's see who's come off and who's gone on. It looks to me like number 16 for Hamilton Boys, Baka, has come on. Peter has gone to the side. I've seen him after a couple of runs there. We stayed down, but he had a great game for Peter. Outstanding runs. And back door, going out to the left side. And just ensuring those first tackles. Love it from behind there. Good work. Again, setting up those midfield crashes. Waka straight into his mahi. And looking out to the left-hand side, to open it up on the left-hand side. And a great try there to number 11, Taha Elliott. Well worked for the Hamilton Boys. With the right side, pulled everyone in, and then moves the left-hand side there to Taha Elliott. A well-worked try there by Hamilton Boys, and bringing in their wingers, just opening up that space. Score 38-21 for Hamilton Boys. By the way, with the approach of the ball. And well done. Off the post and over. Good work. Hamilton Boys back to their full complement of players. Love it. Restart. Great take there by Napier. Wait. He's gone there by Napier. Hamilton Boys. So I can see number 17 is out there now. Do it. Hunga. Chaos. There's Buff going down the short side. Although I had the option here, they can come to the knock on. There's a line out. I think they'll off this one here. No, for the line out. So an opportunity to get straight back into this game for Napier with a little over 9 minutes to go. Down the short side. Want to create more space in the open. Work. Pine. Work. Yeah, good run there. Oh, is that Perry? A great run. And looking for space. Again, need to settle down again. Work. Get on his feet. Oh, he's gone down over the ball. Penalty there. You see number 18 for Hamilton Boys come on, Broomhall. Also see that number 22 for Napier Boys, Shelford, also come on the field there. Right on there by McLaughlin. And there with the ball at the back of the wall. Lots of pressure on them there. McLaughlin. And well done. Love it. Good work. Shelford with the ball on the wing now. And again, we're looking for those midfield platforms just to open up some space on either side. No time off there. The ball here. Love it for the corner. Good work. The last couple of weeks, Napier have used this more from the line out really well. Let's see what they do here. And the ball at the back there. Worth. And taken down there by Napier. Good. Not well done. Had a good run in there in the midfield. Bit of continuity here for Napier. And pick and go. Good work. And going again. And Napier just showing a bit of patience here. And looking for the ball. Another penalty here to Napier. Patient here again. Looking for getting over that line. Advantage to Napier here. And luckily just back there. Penalty. I think Ryan's going to have a pet to the captain here from Hamilton. It's a few penalties in a row there in the 22. Just over 5 minutes to go. 14 to 21 to Hamilton Boys. Perry. Doing what he loves doing. Right, really trying to push this Hamilton side. And then really putting pressure on that line again. Perry again. Yes, and great try there. He walked Ahiriri, McLaughlin. I think that is. And conversion. 26, 28 to 40 to Rotorua. 4.5 minutes to go. 12 points difference between the distant teams at the moment. We're looking forward to this last few minutes of the game. And just while there's a lull here again, we'd like to take a moment to acknowledge our sponsors and supporters. Big thank you to Whakaata MāORI for providing the platform to share the event with whānau across Aotearoa, helping us showcase our rangatahi and bring action to audiences free of charge and accessible no matter where you are located. I would like to acknowledge and thank the Tōra Whiri and Te Reo Māori for the ongoing support and development of Te Reo Māori present in events like this. And a huge thank you also to our sponsors Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects and Anchor, whose sponsorship enables us to share the events with you and your whānau and for backing the growth of the sport and the community initiative. Hapai. And back to the game with just over 3 minutes to go. According to our clock, I suspect that we will be in a bit of time, a bit of Ryan Marshall's time too. MāORI with the ball. Great run there. Just trying to be patient with the ball, making sure that we can get down that field. Belford. What the goal. That was. Oh. That was the end of the game there for this game. What a game it was for the top two teams in the Super 8. Victors coming out on top. Hamilton Boys High School there take this game 40 to 28. Nō reira, o uti wā mātou mahi ki nei rā, ki ngā kaiwhakahaere, ki ngā kaiwhakataitai, ngā haumaru ka haere. Tēnā koutou katoa, ka tūhono mai ki tēnei hōtaka, ni hōra mai. Great game there. Thank you for joining us today. And just to mention again to Ryan Marshall, the referee for our Kawa Roll for the day. Great to see you out there, mate, doing your thing. From where you've come from to where you are today, outstanding development in your journey. Well done to the young men of both Hamilton Boys and Napier Boys. An outstanding game. A lot of heart out there. Bit of feeling when you're playing the top two. Lots of feeling out there, and great job. Tēnā tātou e te whanau, nā kuiti te wā mātou. Tēnei rā, nō reira, tēnā tātou katoa, kōra.
This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
Ai, ka pai.